Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to earn money through Amazon Wholesale. Earning money through Wholesale on Amazon involves buying products in bulk at a lower cost and then selling them on the Amazon platform at a higher price. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can get started with Amazon Wholesale. Number 1. Research and choose a niche. Identify a niche or category of products you are interested in or have knowledge about. Research the demand, competition, and profit margins for products in that niche. Number 2. Create an Amazon seller account. Sign up for an Amazon seller account if you don't have one. Choose between an individual or professional account based on your selling volume. Number 3. Legal requirements. Ensure that you comply with all legal requirements for running a business in your location. Some wholesalers may require you have a resale certificate or business license. Number 4. Find wholesale suppliers. Look at legitimate wholesale suppliers or distributors. You can find them through trade shows, industry events, or online platforms. Consider using wholesale directories or contacting manufacturers directly. Number 5. Build relationships with your suppliers. Establish a relationship with your suppliers to negotiate better deals and terms. Ask for wholesale catalogs, price lists, and terms of sale. Number 6. Place orders and manage inventory. Place wholesale orders for the products you want to sell on Amazon. Keep track of inventory levels and reorder products as needed. Number 8. Fulfillment. Decide whether you want to fulfill your orders, FBM, fulfillment by merchant, or use Amazon's fulfillment services, FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. FBA allows Amazon to handle storage, packing, and shipping for you. Number 9. Optimize your listings. Use SEO techniques to optimize your product listings for search engines within the Amazon platform. Encourage customer reviews and maintain high seller ratings. Number 10. Monitor and adjust. Keep an eye on your sales, customer feedback, and inventory levels. Adjust your strategy based on market trends, competitor actions, and customer feedback. And the last one, number 11. Scale your business. Once you have established a successful system, consider expanding your product range or exploring additional marketplaces. Remember, success in Amazon Wholesale requires careful research, strong relationships with suppliers, and effective management of your business. Stay informed about Amazon policies and adapt your strategy as needed to stay competitive in the marketplace. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of all my upcoming videos. Thank you.